Hi crazy crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making a stuffed heart garland to use as a cute decoration for Valentine's Day. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are some decorative papers, as well as our template. The link will be in the description. Some fiberfill, some curling ribbon, tape, stapler, scissors, pencil, and a hole punch. To start the craft, we're going to take our main decorative paper for our big hearts, and we're going to use the template. I've already done that. I've printed it right on my paper. So what I can do is just cut these hearts out along the lines. And this is for the big heart in the center. The small hearts on the sides will be done the same way. The template is also in the description. And I'm just going to show you how to do the big heart, but the small hearts, like I said, you can do the same way. So we're going to finish cutting these out. And then we're going to put them together with the decorative sides on the outside. So we want the white sides. That's, my paper had white. And then we're going to start to staple them. Now we don't want to staple down at the point. That's where we're going to fill our hearts. So we're going to start up a little bit and just staple. And you don't have to staple too close together, just to keep it closed a little bit so the filling doesn't come out. Okay. And then we're going to take some of our filling. This is fiberfill. If you don't have fiberfill, you can use cotton balls. You could use some fluffy tissues if you don't have anything else. And then we're just going to take a little bit and just stick it inside, just enough to get it in there. And then we're going to take our pencil and use the eraser part of the pencil and just kind of gently, you can stick it up into the top of the heart. And I'm going to do this and put it up now on this side of the heart. And we'll take a little more and put it in there for the center. You don't need a lot. You don't want it to be overstuffed. Just want to give it a little dimension. And then once you have that in there, then you can continue stapling around the point. Okay. We'll put that aside. And then, so that's your big heart. And then, like I said, the small hearts will be done the same way. And I've already did those ahead of time. So I have 2 red small hearts. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to poke some holes in the top of the hearts for our ribbon to go through. I'm just going to poke a hole. If you don't have, I'm using a hole punch. If you don't have a hole punch, you can use maybe the point of a pen to do that, or you can always just tape your ribbon, or you can staple your ribbon as well. I'm just going to take now the curling ribbon. I'm using about 5 feet of curling ribbon just because I want to have some extras for the end. And I'm just going to put it into the hole from the back because I want to see the white on the front of it. And then put it down through that hole. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And put it down through that one. And just kind of pull it as you go along. Pull that. Oops, mine came out. And put that in again. In through that hole there. And then with the last heart, in from the back, and then through that one. Then what I'm going to do, just so they don't overlap each other, I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to put a little piece of tape on this ribbon just to keep it in place, and then they won't overlap each other. They'll have nice spacing. So I'll continue to do that, and that'll be it.
I hope you had fun making this stuffed heart garland. Happy Valentine's Day. If you like this craft, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!